Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Vedika. So today we are going to discuss question that appeared in CBSE Board Examination 2025. This question is of integration, and the question is find integration of x plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, and this is of 3 marks. So let us solve this question. Okay, so we have to find the integration. So integration of x plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So we can distribute this division. So we can write this like x divided by 1 plus cos x dx plus integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, and we know that 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 by half angle identity. Okay, so we can write this x divided by 2 cos square x by 2 dx plus sin x can also be written as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x will be written as 2 cos square x by 2 dx by half angle identity. Okay, so we'll cancel out 2 from numerator and denominator, and cos square x by 2 and cos x by 2, and this will be cos x by 2. As we move on, we'll write x by 2, and cos square x by 2 can be written as sec square x by 2 dx plus now sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 dx. Okay, now 1 by 2 is constant, so we'll keep this constant before integration sign, and we'll left with x sec square x by 2 dx plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 can be written as tan x by 2 dx. Now here we have two functions, x and sec square x by 2. So we'll apply formula of integration where we have two functions. So we'll let x as the first function and second function sec square x as the second function by applying eyelet method, where algebraic function comes first and trigonometric functions comes after algebraic function. Okay, now we'll apply the formula of integration. So half into the formula is we'll keep first function before integration sign, and we'll integrate second function sec square x by 2 dx minus integration of differentiation of first function. So first function is x, so differentiation of x with respect to x itself into integration of second function whole integration. Okay, so this is the formula where two functions are given, and two functions are given in multiplication, and we need to integrate that. Okay, plus integration tan x by 2 dx. Now we'll solve it. Half x. Now what is the integration of sec square x? This the integration is tan x, and here x by 2, so the whole integration, the value of whole integration will be multiplied by 2, and this will go like this. We'll suppose x by 2 as t, and then we'll differentiate it dt by dx, and we'll put the value of dx in dt form. Okay, so by this way we can find that the value of integration of sec square x by 2 will be 2 into tan x by 2 minus integration of, now this x is differentiated with respect to x, this will be 1, so 1 into integration of sec square x by 2 dx, now whole integration, plus integration of tan x by 2 dx. Now we'll multiply this quantity in bracket by 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 will be multiplied by 2, then we'll have x into tan x by 2 minus half integration of, now integration of this sec square x by 2 will also be equal to 2 into tan x by 2, now whole dx plus integration of tan x by 2 dx. Now x into tan x by 2, now we'll multiply 1 by 2 by 2, so 2 will be cancelled out, so we'll left out with integration of tan x by 2 dx plus integration of tan x by 2 dx. Okay, now this integration in minus sign and this is in plus sign are equal and will be cancelled out, so we'll left out with x tan x by 2, and we'll put c, which is constant of integration. So this is the answer. I hope you understood this method, and we'll meet in next session with some other question. Okay, thank you.